Ding ding. Ding ding. Yeah, we are here. In here. Ding ding. Ding ding. We are here. Someone take a video boarding. Very good place. Ding ding here. Ding ding. Oops. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. You scared? Ding ding. We are waiting the car. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Last time we go to there. No, no. Here is in the hospital. Outpatient. And then cabbage like cabbage. Ito ulam niya oh. Then naninilip na naman kasi ito sweet potato. Sweet potato tsaka sweet potato and fried egg, but I don't put salt and I don't put anything. I just put a little bit oil when I fry. Sometimes I make a boiled egg, and then this one is sweet potato. Is very good taste. Is sweet because I taste already. Yan. Naninilip siya oh. Laging naninilip oh. Na. Okay. Okay, go outside now. Go outside. There she knows. Okay, bye-bye guys. Ding, ding. Because I eating my lunch and then he think he eat also, but he's already finished. So very cute. I eat McDonald's. I think he want also to eat, but he already finished. Anytime want to eat. Yeah. Sorry, Ting Ting. You already finished? Oh yeah, look like you are very poor. But sorry, because you finished.